Hello! Mag-skincare tayo. So, itong gamit ko. Self-care. So, moisturizer. So, I already washed my face. So, dito. Lagay natin yan. Ganyan lang siya. To make sure. So, ito yan siya. Massage natin ng konti. Massage. Yan. Tapos, your neck as well. Ganyan. So, tapos, lagyan natin ng 50. Yeah? SPF 50. Ito. Para kahit walang araw, kailangan daw yan to protect your skin and anything that's harmless. So, ganyan. At yan. So, yung aking eyebrows, ganyan lang yan. I just shave a little bit at the bottom. Go. Otherwise, na. So, let it dry. Then, if you got anything that is to protect your skin, oil, anything that is oil for the skin. So, talagay tayo ng oil. Yan. Para medyo makita. I don't put, this is my daily routine skincare. Yan. So, don't forget sa gabi, mag-wash ka rin at maglagay ng moisturizer. Ganyan. And then, let it dry a bit. Ngayon, maglalagay na tayo ng makeup. I don't really put makeup. Just my on-the-go daily. So, I just put a bit of mabuksan. Lang. So, ito yung eyeliner. You don't have to have expensive ones.